Have you ever found yourself sitting quietly in the early morning, feeling like the world is holding its breath just for you? Those moments when the sun has just started to rise, the air is still cool, and the silence feels almost sacred. I remember a lovely woman named Ruth who once told me, "In the calm of dawn, I find the courage to face what's next." She's in her 70s now, and every morning she welcomes the new day with a small ritual, a cup of tea, a deep breath, and a quote that lifts her spirit. Today, I want to gently invite you to join me in exploring 3 simple yet powerful ideas. Quiet moments that might quietly change your mornings, your days, even your heart. So stay with me, because these gentle reflections might be exactly what your heart has been waiting for. There's a common belief many seniors share, that mornings lose their magic as we age, that those vibrant feelings of hope and possibility belong only to the young. But science tells us a different, more hopeful story. Research from the Mayo Clinic and AARP reveals that establishing a peaceful morning routine can improve mood, memory, and even physical health in older adults. It's like giving your mind a gentle wake-up call. Not a rush or a race, but a soft invitation to be present. Let me tell you about Henry. After retiring, Henry found his days strangely empty and his mornings especially quiet in a way that felt lonely at first. But then he began a small practice, brewing a cup of his favorite tea with care, sitting by the window and reading a short motivational quote each morning. One morning, Henry shared, "That simple cup of tea became my anchor. It was like a warm hug from myself, reminding me that I still have so much life to live." This reminds us all. Age does not steal the magic of mornings. Instead, it offers us a unique chance to slow down, reflect, and greet the day with calm and grace. So, the next time the soft light of dawn touches your window pane, pause for a moment. Invite yourself to rediscover the quiet magic waiting for you. But honestly, mornings can sometimes feel heavy. For many seniors, those quiet hours bring not peace, but a shadow of loneliness or regret. Sarah, a widow in her late 60s, used to feel this deeply. After her children moved away and her friends grew distant, the silence in the mornings felt like a reminder of all that was missing. She described it as a forgotten part of me waking up. Yet Sarah found a beautiful way to transform this quiet loneliness. She started writing letters, not just to old friends, but also to herself. A letter became more than paper and ink. It became a symbol of connection, a way to bridge the distance she felt inside. There's a rarely spoken truth here. Quiet mornings are not empty or lonely. They are full of possibility and healing, if we allow them to be. When you sit with the silence, you might hear your own heart whispering, inviting you to awaken, to forgive, to hope again. So how can we make these quiet mornings a source of comfort and strength? Here are 3 simple habits to invite peace and connection into your day. Brew your morning tea with intention. Feel the warmth of the cup in your hands. Breathe in the soothing aroma. Let this moment be a gentle hug, a symbol of peace that begins your day. Choose a motivational quote or saying to reflect on. It could be something soft and hopeful, like, "Each morning is a fresh page in your story." Write it on a card or whisper it aloud. Let it be a light that guides you through the day. Write a letter or journal. It might be a note to a loved one, a thank you to yourself, or a reflection on your dreams. Writing creates connection with others and with your own heart. Henry's morning walks with his dog are another gentle ritual he cherishes. He says, "The rhythm of my steps matches the quiet beating of my heart. It's a small celebration of life every day. There is no need to rush or push yourself. These small actions, done with kindness and ease, can open doors to joy and renewal." Now let's take a moment together. If you've ever felt that mornings hold too much silence or maybe too many memories, know that you are not alone. Perhaps you carry a quiet regret, a goodbye left unsaid, a dream postponed. It's okay to feel that. It's part of your story, your human experience. I invite you to breathe in that feeling, not to judge it, but to honor it. Because within that stillness, there is space for love, for forgiveness, for awakening. If you feel comfortable, please share in the comments a gentle morning habit that has brought you peace, or one you'd like to try. Your story might light the way for someone else searching for comfort. What quiet ritual brings you comfort in the mornings? Is it a cup of tea, a favorite song, a handwritten note? Thank you for sharing these moments with me today. I am deeply grateful for your presence. If you'd like to continue this gentle journey, I invite you to watch our next video, Unspoken Moments of Joy After 60. A space to celebrate the subtle, beautiful parts of growing older. May your mornings be soft, your heart be full, and your spirit gently healed.